I want you to help us survive.
A lot of people in here, they've been inside from the start. They just lived. They haven't had to survive.
You don't get to just live. If you don't fight, you die.
You'll die without us.
I might have to threaten one of them. I could have to kill one of them. I was thinking, how many of you do I have to kill to save your lives? But I'm not gonna do that. You're gonna change. Still might be too late.
Too late how?
For them to come around. You've been behind these walls this entire time. You got lucky with the walls. You got lucky with us. Luck runs out.
Who he is who you're gonna be if you're lucky.
They're the luckiest damn people I ever met. They just keep getting luckier. How that? We're here now. You're not ready, but you have to be. Right now, you have to be. Still don't get it. None of you do! Live. How much? Do you want to live? You think this crazy? Your way of doing things is starting right now. We have to live a little real. This.
He just said what he said. You haven't heard through it. Not really. Not like Rick. Rick was out there. You know you don't. If you don't learn, you will die.
We'll survive. I'll show you how.